Morning students. Now we are going to learn example number 4 of exercise 3.7. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So what we have to do over here? We have to find out the one number, smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So we knows well the whatever the LCM of the given number, right? And its multiple definitely will be the what? Divisible, exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So let's find out very first LCM of the given number 6, 8 and 12. 6, 8, 12, right? At a very small number, so we knows well, very simply we can divide it. All the given 3 can be divided by 2. 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, right? Now next 3 numbers 3, 4 and 6. Out of them 4 and 6 can be divided by 2 while 3 cannot. Again 2 is divided by 2. Now 3, right? So what are the different multiples? We got it over here of 6, 8 and 12. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. So we can say the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is equal to 24. It's a clear. Now see, we knows well and already we have discussed before it, all the other numbers exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12 will be the multiples of 24. Multiples of 24, right? So now which are the multiples of 24? 24, right? First, then after 24, 2 za 48, 3 za 72, 4 za 96, 5 za 120, 6 za 144, right? See here what is asking smallest 3-digit number. So which is the smallest 3-digit number? See 96 is a 2-digit number, right? Which is the highest 2-digit, and then after 120 is the what? Smallest, right? So we can say here 122 is the smallest 3-digit number, right? Which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Got it? Which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So all of you understood? Sure. First of all, what to do? We have to find out LCM of the given number. So whatever LCM we'll get, we have to find out its multiples. Then after asking about the smallest, so we have to find out it. Got it? Now let's go for the next example number 5. Determine the greatest 3-digit number. What is asking over here? Greatest 3-digit number. Exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. See, 8, 10 and 12. One number is differ over here, right? And what to find out? Greatest 3-digit. In last one, smallest 3-digit number. Here, greatest 3-digit number. So first of all, let's find out LCM of it. 8, 10, 12. It is also smaller numbers, so can be divided by 2. All the numbers 6 2s are right. Now 4, 5, 6 from it 4 and 6 can be divided by 2. 5 remains as it is. Once again 2, 3 and 5, right? So like this way we have to what? Find out multiples of it. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 are the multiples of 8, 10 and 12, right? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3 5s are 15, right? So 15 8s are 120, right? So what is the LCM of 8, 10 and 12? 120. Now then after what is asking? Greatest 3-digit number, right? So other multiples of 120 are, right? So we have to find out what smallest, greatest 3 digits. So let's see which is the greatest 3-digit number. 999, right? Divided by 120. So 120, maybe 120 tens are 12 eights are 96. So 120 eights are 960, right? So 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 6, 3, 0. So what remainder we got it? 39. So 999 minus 39. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 3, 6 and 0. Sorry, 9. 9, 6, 0. Right? So we can say which is the greatest 3-digit number. 960 is the greatest 3-digit number, exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Got it? So all of you understood how to find out? Sure. Good. Now let's go for the next one. The traffic, example number 6. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? So first of all, what to do? We have to find out LCM of it, right? 48, 72, 108. So arrange it like this way. Now 48, 72 and 108. See the unit digit 8, 2 and 8. So we can say all the numbers are divided by 2. So 24 to the right, 36 to the 72 and 54 to the 70. See again all the numbers can be divided by 2 because its unit digit is 4, 6 and 4. 12 to the 18 to the 27 to the. Now out of 3, 12 and 18 can be divided by 2 while 27 cannot, right? So 6 to the 9 to the. Again 3 to the 9 and 27 remain as it is. Now all the 3 can be divided by 3. 1 3 are 3, 3 3 are 9, right? 9 3 are 27. Again both can be divided by 3, right? 1 3 are 3. So what are the multiples? 2 is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 4, 3 is 3 times, right? Now do the multiplication. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Now let's perform the multiplication. 27 multiply 16. 0, 1 7 is 7, 1 2 is 2. 6 7 is 42, so 2, 4, 2 6 is 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 2, 6 plus 7, 13. So 3, 1, right? 3. So what? 432. So we can say the LCM of 48, 72 and 108 is equal to 432, right? Now what we have to find out, if the change simultaneously at 7 a.m. at what time will they change simultaneously again? So what we have to do, we have to divide it by the given number, right? 1 hour is equal to how many? 60 minutes. So divided by 60. So 6. So now 432 divided by 60, because 432 second, right? Now 60 divided 432. So now 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48. So maybe it can be divided by 7. 6 7 are 42, so 420, right? 2 1 0. So we can say traffic light will change simultaneously again at 7 hours, right? Which is already given after 7 minutes. And how many seconds? 12 seconds, right? So we can say the traffic lights change simultaneously at 7 a.m. So they will change again at 7 hours, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Understood? 7, 7, 12. Understood? Sure? Good. Let's go for the next one. Example number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. See here, maximum capacity. So what we have to do, we have to find out HCF of it, highest common factor, right? So let's see the given numbers: 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters. So whenever we are going to find out HCF, always we have to find out separately, right? So now 403 first of all. See, the unit digit is 3, right? So cannot be divided by 2. 4 plus 0, so 4 plus 3, so 4 plus 3 7. So cannot be divided by 3, also cannot be divided by 5, cannot be divided maybe the 7 also, right? Even it cannot be divided by 11. Let's try with 13. So 403 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39. So 40 minus 39, 1, 3, 1. Yes. So 31, 13 are. So 31, so 131 is right. So 403 is equal to 13 multiply 31 are the factors. Now 434 can be divided by 2. 2 twos are 4, 1 twos are 2, 7 twos are 14, right? So again we got it a number 217. So cannot be divided by 2. Let's try with 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. So cannot be divided by 3. Cannot be divided by 5. We'll try with 7. 217 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7, yes. So can be divided by 31 sevens. Again 31. So 1 31, right? So 434 is equal to 2 multiply 7 multiply 31. Now last is 465. So what's the unit digit? 5. So cannot be divided by 2. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So can be divided by 3 because 15 can be divided by 3. So 1 3s are 3. So 1 is remain over here. So next number is 16. So 5 3s are 15. So again 1. So 155 3s are 465. So 155. So can be divided by 1 plus 5. So 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So cannot be divided by 3. So we'll try. 5 is a unit digit, so definitely can be divided by 5, right? 3 5s are 15, right? And 1 5s are 5, so 31. 1 31s are 465 is equal to 3 multiply 5 multiply 30. Now common factors. What is the common over here? 31 31 31, right? Got it? So what we have to find out? Maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the three containers exact number of times. So we can say the HCF, highest common factor of the given three numbers, is 31, right? So what is the capacity of it? 31. Maximum capacity of it is how many? 31 liters. Understood? Now let's go with example number 8. Find the least number which, when divided by 6, 15 and 18, leave remainder 5 in each case. Leave remainder, what are the three numbers? 6, 15 and 18. And then after, leave remainder 5 in each case. Let's try. Sorry. First of all, what we have to find out? LCM. 6, 15, 18. 6, so can be divided by 2. 15 cannot, but 18 can. 3 2s are 15 remain as it is. 9 3s are, sorry, 9 2s are. So all can be divided by 3. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. 1 5. So is equal to, what are the multiples? 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 multiply 5. 18 5s are 90. So what's the LCM? LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is equal to 90. Right? Then after, what we have to find out? The least, leave remainder 5 in each case. So when it is possible, when we divide it, so what we have to do? We have to add 5 in it. So 90 plus 5. So what will get? 95. So we can say the least number that leaves 5 as the remainder in each case when divided by 6, 15 and or 18 is 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Got it? Sure? Good. Now let's go with example number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. 18, 24 and 32. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So let's find out very first what LCM. 18, 24, 32. 8, 4 and 2 are the different unit digits, so can be divided by 2. 9 to the 12 to the and 16 to the 30. Again 12 and 16 can be divided by 2. 3 to the 4 to the right. 2 to the 1 to the 1 3 the sorry 3 3 the 1 3 the. So how many times? 2? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 times, and 3 is repeated twice. Yes. Now do the multiplication. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. 3 3 the 9. Now 32 9 the 9 to the 18. So 1 9 3 the 27 plus 1 28. 228 LCM of the given three numbers 18, 24 and 30. Now then after, what is asking? Smallest 4-digit number. So before that already in example number, I think so we have learned in fifth greatest 3-digit number as well as in fourth smallest 3-digit number. So right, so here in greatest 3-digit number we have divided by 999. So here what to do? 4-digit number. So what? 1000 divided by 288. Right? Now 288. Let's try with the 4. 4 is a 32. So 2, 3, 4 is a 32 plus 3, 35. So 3, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So it's a big. So we have to divide it by maybe 3. So let's try with 3. 3 is a 24. So 4, 2, 3 is a 24 plus 2, 26. So 2, sorry 6, 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. So 8, 288, 3 is a 864. Right? Now 0 minus 4, not possible. So we have to borrow. So 10, 9, 9, sorry, 8, sorry, 9, 0, right? So 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 8, 1. So 1000 minus 136, right? So now 0 minus 6, not 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 1, 8. 864 plus what? 288. 288, because what's a required? 4-digit number. Which number we required? 4-digit. So 4 plus 8, 12. So 2, 1, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. So 5, 1, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So we can say 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number, right? Exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Got it? Sure. Good. Now example number 10. Find the LCM of the following numbers. We will learn in next period. Okay. Bye.